Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys display setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we enable guys eyes protection mode in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to enable guys your Samsung phone guys eyes protection mode settings. So friend, how can you enable and friend, how can you use it in your Samsung mobile? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable guys Samsung phone eyes protection mode. So we will click on guys phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So friends, we will click on guys phone display setting, and when scroll it friends, click on guys this eye comfort. So we call it guys eyes protection mode also. So friends, you want to enable, so friends you can enable from here guys. First of all guys, you can see this adaptive and this custom setting is not working because guys eyes protection mode is disabled. So first of all guys, we will enable from right side icon. After enable guys, you can use guys your eyes protection mode setting from here guys. Custom guys, if you tap, so once you can see the schedule option. So once you want to set guys the schedule time, the size protection mode, so you can schedule from here. And guys color temperature guys, you can increase and decrease from here, but I will tap on a nifty to enable it. So once you can see keep your eyes comfortable, so like that guys, we call it guys eyes protection mode. And guys, you should enable guys at night guys when you operate at when you operate your phone at night. So you should enable it. After enable guys, you can look at on your screen easily, and guys you can use your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.